Yeah.
That doesn't work. Oh, the fan's still on. Dang it.
I'm not a fan of it.
Me neither. Signal's on by default, I'm pretty sure. Oh, they got nanospectics now. It's got a nice motor. I wish the fan wasn't on. Although, wait to hear this thing when we get to the top. It always does that. It's not long when I listen. Oh, it didn't do it that time. Did they fix it? Might have.
Possibly.
Oh, the gong works on this floor.
Kind of sounds like the one at, was it the, no. Oh gosh, I'm blanking on the name of the mall.
Bloomingdale's? Walt Whitman?
No, the other one.
I can't think of what it had. Alright, 2. We're gonna do it again. Silent take. Oh, you guys went up? No. Alright, door closed. Alright, let's see if it does it this time. It kind of does it. It doesn't do it anymore. Last time I was here, it was like vibrating.
Sounds like the similar at,
It levels faster. I think that's why. I think they fixed the leveling on this. I think what happened, it still vibrates.
Jeez, why is it? I can't even remember the name of it.
Epco SSL. Did it place nanospectics? No, they didn't. It's just regular SSL. I don't know what this is. Maybe a Fujitech. Yeah, it doesn't work here. It's a nice little elevator. Thumbnail shot. Hey, look in the gift shop, but there is a few Simplex stuff.